Hey everybody, welcome back to my kitchen and welcome back to my channel. Let's cook something delicious. Pull up a chair and let's get cooking together. Today we're gonna make a 15 bean soup with the dried beans and some pork. Just to start off, we're gonna need the dried bean mix, a thing of pork, which I have plain pork, but I'm gonna go with a sweet garlic ginger. We're gonna add a little bit of chicken or ham base, Worcestershire, horseradish, some hot chili peppers, some Italian herbs, salt, pepper, and fresh garlic, and water. We're gonna do this in our crock pot, so I'm getting it started tonight. Of course, it's 9:30 at night, so we're gonna get it started so our beans have good time to get nice and soft. So you're gonna pour your bean mixture in the bottom. We're gonna drop in our sweet garlic ginger pork loin. I think that is like a good flavor for this. I didn't have a whole lot of horseradish, so I'm going to make use of everything. I'm going to add some water to clean this out well. And since we didn't have a lot of horseradish, we're going to go in with some of this wasabi paste. This stuff's a little bit wicked, so we're just going to add that right in there as well. Got these really hot little chili peppers, so it doesn't take much. I got 3 of them cut up in here. We're just going to add them right on top. 4 cloves of garlic, fresh, and we're going to mince this up. That looks pretty good. It doesn't have to be super fine. Drop that right in top of too. Some salt, because beans need salt. Especially dried beans. And some pepper. Add a little bit of this to chopped Italian herbs. A little bit of W sauce. No, I'm just going to make some homemade bread to go with this soup. And then you're going to use a lot of water because those beans, as they soak, will use up a lot of that water. Now, you can use a chicken base in this instead, but I like to use these bases with the water. So I'm going to add some ham base that goes well with the pork. And a little of this goes a long way, so we're just going to put that right on in there. I think this ginger pork's going to be really good with this. And we're going to toss in some real bacon bits, because that all goes well together, and this will be really good in the soup. We're going to put a lid on this, and we're going to cook it on low overnight. We'll check it in the morning. We'll add some more things to it. We'll shred that pork up, so on and so forth. So, see you in the AM. We left this set overnight. Our beans are good. I went ahead and shredded up the pork. So now we are going to add in some ranch dressing, taco seasoning, black beans, tomatoes, green chilies, and some cream cheese. Alright, so I got the black beans in there and the tomatoes, along with that bag of dried beans of all different flavors. Added in the green chilies. Now we're just going to go in with some taco seasoning. We had already put salt and pepper in this before. We're going to add a little ranch. Just some branch and vine. I'm going to add this cream cheese in sections, so that it melts down in there. Maybe I will. I'm just gonna put that right in there. I got that cream cheese in there. Just gonna stir it, let that melt, Adding the cream cheese will take a little bit of the spiciness out. Usually if you make, this is basically a pork taco soup instead of the taco soup with the ground hamburger. So this will take a little bit out of it. You usually put in corn chips and cheese on top with some sour cream, but I'm gonna add a little bit more heat to this. Add a little bit of Tabasco. Stir this up, let that cream cheese melt, and we're good to go. This is golden. All right, so this is all done. That cream cheese isn't quite melted, but I have to have some. And we ended up putting some pepperoncini rings, mild banana pepper rings in there. So we're gonna dish this up. Sprinkle on some cheddar cheese while it's still hot. Crunch up your corn chips. And add a dollop of cream cheese. No, sour cream. Mix that all up and eat it. Yummy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Stay tuned for our next video.